In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Zendesk to N8N for seamless workflow automation. Start by opening N8N and navigating to the credentials section from the left sidebar. Click Create New and select Zendesk as your credential type. For authentication, choose OAuth 2, which securely connects Zendesk without sharing your password. You need to set up OAuth 2 credentials in the Zendesk Developer Console. Make sure the Zendesk API is enabled. Grab your client ID, client secret and redirect URI, then enter them back in N8N. Once everything is correctly filled in, hit Save. This establishes a secure connection, allowing N8N to interact with your Zendesk account and automate tasks like ticket management or data syncing. And that's it. Your Zendesk is now connected to N8N, saving time, reducing errors, and streamlining your workflows.